How's it going, guys? Camp 6 TV here. I got a 2002 XR200R. Gonna be doing a winter project on it. Actually, it's a barn find, and it's got a little bit of issues, but basically I've never owned a dirt bike before like this, and never really rebuilt an engine. It's definitely gonna need something internally. It basically has low compression, and then it catches compression and then sticks like the engine is frozen. Definitely something in the cam area, or something is definitely in the lifter area, probably a bent push rod or something on the intake side. But first thing I'm going to do tonight is basically remove the engine out of the bike, and then we're going to start opening it up. But this is going to be our winter project right here, and yeah, so it's going to be like a little restoration of the 2002 XR200R. See what it could be coming into. Removing the seats, panels, and fuel tank around it. Going blind. Never worked on one of these older bikes before, but literally got a 10 mil there, 10 mil there. Seat should come right out. And next, these, it looks like 10 millimeters or 12 millimeters. 1, 2, 3. Panel comes off. 1, 2, 3. Panel comes off. The straps, and then the fuel tank should definitely slide out of there.